paano nga ba tayo kumuha ng trigonometric values na hindi tayo gagamit ng calculator? Okay, ang ituturo ko ay yung tamang way at pamamaraan para nang sa ganon makukuha mo ang value o trigonometric values na hindi mo na kinakailangan mag-solve gamit ang calculator. You only have to do is to memorize all the ordered pairs given from the given angles. Okay, now, pag-aralan natin ang special angles. Ang special angles, what are those angles? These are, we have number 1, 0 degree, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. Ang ating ordered pair, kung matatandaan natin sa linear function, ang ating tinatawag na ordered pair ay xy. Sa trigonometric function, ang ordered pair natin ay cos-sin or cosine and sine function. Now, sa 0 degrees, meron tayong coordinate or ordered pair na 1, 0. At ito ang cosine, which is 1. At ang sine value ay 0. Sa 30 degrees, square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2. Sa 45 degrees, square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. Sa 60 degrees, 1/2, square root of 3 over 2, 90 degrees, 0, 1. You only have to do is to memorize these ordered pairs, then to get the value of the given trigonometric function with a given special angle. Okay, now for example, we're going to solve sine 60 degrees. Okay, you don't need to use calculator kasi titingnan lang natin ang special angles. Ito yung ating 60 degrees. Ang sine natin ay yung second element, second column, square root of 3 over 2. Therefore, sine 60 degrees is square root of 2 over 2. Okay, now, how about if we're going to get sine or cosine 90? Sa cosine 90 degrees, ang cosine 90 ay 0. Okay, now, how about sine 30 degrees? Sine 30 degrees. Okay, now, sine 30 degrees, ito ang ating angle, 30 degrees. Ang sine natin ay on 1/2. Therefore, ang ating sine 30 degrees is 1/2. Ibig sabihin, ang way na ito, sa pag-memorize ang ating ordered pair, nakakapag-solve tayo ng trigonometric function with the given special angles without using a calculator. Okay, paano naman kung tayo ay kukuha ng tangent function na hindi tayo gagamit ng calculator? Okay, now, since this is our tangent theta, gagamit tayo, tangent theta is equivalent to quotient identity, sine theta over cosine theta. Kapag dinivide natin ang sine value divided by cosine value, ang sagot ay tangent value. For example, ang given theta natin is 30 degrees. Tangent 30 degrees equals yung theta, papalitan lang natin ng 30 degrees, sine 30 degrees over cosine 30 degrees. What is the value of sine 30 degrees? Ang sine natin is second element, 1/2, over cosine 30 degrees, that is square root of 3 over 2. Nagkaroon tayo ng dalawang fraction. Ang tawag dito ay complex fraction. Since we have 1/2, copy the first fraction, proceed tayo sa multiplication, get the reciprocal of second fraction, 2 over square root of 3, that is 1. Matitirahan tayo ng 1 over square root of 3, meaning the remaining tangent 30 degrees equals 1 over square root of 3. Hindi pa tayo pwedeng tumigil. I-rationalize pa natin sa square root of 3. When we say rationalization or rationalizing the denominator, kung ano ang ating denominator na may radical sign, doon natin siya i-multiply. 1 times square root of 3 is square root of 3. Square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3. Paano tayo nag-multiply ng square root of 3 times square root of 3? Square root of 3 times square root of 3 is square root of 9. When you get the square root of 9, still 3. You only have to do for the shortcut, copy the radicand, which is 3. The similar radicand. Tangent 30 degrees is equivalent to square root of 3 over 3. Okay, since nakuha na natin ang value ng main trigonometric function, what are those? We have sine 30 degrees. Ang sine 30 degrees natin ay, ito yung sine, ito yung ating angle measure, sine 30 is 1/2. Cosine 30 degrees, 30 degrees is square root of 3 over 2. And tangent 30 degrees, ano ang tangent 30 degrees natin, yung nakuha kanina, square root of 3 over 3. Okay, now, ito na yung ating tatlong trigonometric function. Ito yung main trigonometric function. Sine, cosine, tangent. If we're going to get the other three to make it complete for our sixth trigonometric function, we have cosecant 30 degrees, secant 30 degrees, and cotangent 30 degrees. Therefore, get the reciprocal of this. Sine 30 degrees, cosecant 30 degrees, get the reciprocal of the value of sine 30. 1/2, the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 over 1 or 2. Next, secant 30 degrees is the reciprocal of cosine 30 degrees. Square root of 3 over 2 is get the reciprocal, that is 2 over square root of 3, rationalize, square root of 3, that is 2 the square root of 3 over 3. Next, how about cotangent? Reciprocal of tangent 30 degrees, the value is square root of 3 over 3, 3 over square root of 3, rationalizing the denominator, multiply by square root of 3 both sides. We have 3 the square root of 3 over square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3. Cancel. Then the remaining value is square root of 3. Okay, now let's have a recap. If we're going to, how about if we're going to get the value of 60 degrees? If the given angle is 60 degrees, what is the value of sine? Sine 60 degrees is square root of 3 over 2. Cosine 60 degrees is 1/2. Tangent 30 degrees, 60 degrees is, we're going to divide sine over cosine. Square root of 3 over 2 times 2 over 1, that is square root of 3. Okay, I hope na sana may natutunan kayo kung paano kumuha ng trigonometric function, ng 6 trigonometric function without using a calculator gamit ang ating special angles. Okay, nakapagbigay ako ng example ng 30 degrees, 60 degrees, sa 45 degrees, 0 degrees, mas madali na siya. Okay, kapag kinuha natin ang tangent 0 degrees, okay, unahin muna natin. What is sine 0 degrees? 0. Cosine 0, 1. Tangent 0. 0 divide 1 is 0. Meaning tangent 0 is 0. How about cotangent 0? And the 1 over 0 is undefined. Okay?